Gather a few materials and follow along to make this cute costume. To make this crayon costume, you need red and black felt, adhesive felt letters, the crayon outline, scissors, and a glue gun. Start by folding your felt in half with the right sides together and cut out a rectangle shape. You want this to be big enough for your child. Glue the sides closed, creating a bag shape, and turn it right side out. I found the crayon image online and cut it out using black felt and glued it to the front. I also added the word crayon to the front and the name of the color with adhesive felt letters on the back. Use some extra felt to make a hat. All you need to do is cut out a piece and shape it into a cone shape and glue the edges closed. This costume is sure to be a hit at your holiday party. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.